All right, so in today's tutorial, we're going to run through how to update a WordPress plugin. So I've got our test dashboard up here, and you can see there's an update to do. What we'll do is we'll actually go to plugins and installed, and then you can actually see they actually label all of the updates that are available with this little yellow banner. You also have the opportunity or option to use the filter, so you can just view all of the ones that are available. What we like to do when we have updates is to view the version details, which provides the change log, so that we can actually see what the changes are. And if it's something that is a security fix or may have conflicts with other plugins, then you might want to review this or consult with someone before doing the update because it might break your site. In this case here, just a new update. So what we can do is we can either use the update now button here, we can use the update now button here, or in the dashboard underneath of updates, it'll also list out the updates here too. And you can just select all or just the one and then click update. Once that's done, you'll see a little listing here that it was successful. If there was any issues with the update or anything like that, it'll output those issues here. And then you can go through and try and diagnose what the issue might be. That's it for this one. Really fast, how to update plugins on your WordPress site.